Jayashree is a very talented girl. She has many friends and they all can speak English very well. But Jayashree has one problem. She cannot speak English so well. So, she used to remain upset. She used to stay sad most of the time. Whenever she used to go to bed at night, she used to think, why my English is not improving? Why I cannot speak English like my friends? So one day, when she was sleeping, she got a dream. Someone was telling her that not to get upset. And also, in a dream, she saw that there was someone who gave her some ideas about how to learn English. So, my dear friend, are you facing this type of challenges? That you want to learn English, you are trying, but you are unable to learn? Well, it is not only you. There are so many, believe me, who are facing the same issue. So I am here today to provide you with 10 effective tips to learn English fast and easy. How you can learn English in 10 different ways in a very fast pace. Also, there is one video which I made 2 weeks back. You can check out this video. It will be of great help for you. So, let's begin. Yes, before we start, my name is Rupam and I welcome you all to my channel. If you like this video, please do subscribe. So the first tip is, if you are serious enough to learn English quickly, you have to start speaking from the first day. You can speak English with anyone. If you have a friend, you can talk to him. If you have a teacher who is willing to help you, you can talk to your teacher, your neighbor. Or if there is no one, start talking to yourself. That will help you. That will help you to learn English faster. Because what happens when you start speaking English, the barrier which is there in your mind will go away. Okay? That confidence level will start building in yourself. And that will help you to develop your English. A study was done, okay, between two groups of people. Group A was studying using grammar and vocabulary exercises, and Group B was learning by speaking using video technology. After 2 months, in the research, what they found is that Group A has not developed so much, but Group B has developed a lot. Their vocabulary developed. They developed their grammatical skill. Their speaking also improved. They have gained more vocabularies, performed better in listening comprehension test, were able to use grammar, and were able to speak more confidently. Let's move on to point number 2. Maybe reading is boring. For me, it was boring. I always used to think, why should I read? Why should I read? But later I realized there are so many benefits. I will share few benefits with you. Reading improves grammar and pronunciation. It improves your vocabulary. Reading out loud improves your spoken fluency. Reading improves writing skills. Reading improves your knowledge, makes you smarter. So now comes what to read. Well, my dear friends, you can read anything of your choice. If you like movies, just you can log into Bollywood Live or Filmfare, etc. There's so many websites. You can read what all things they do, how they maintain their life, on which places they travel, etc. Also, if you have some books which you want to read, but it is in your mother tongue, try to find the same book translated in English. You will get it. And read that book. Switch your search browser to find everything in English. You can also follow some stars, some sports person, some celebrity in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. This will help you. Your reading skill will improve. At the same time, your English will improve. Also, try reading some fry words. Let me share a list of fry words with you. Got it? Let's move on to number 3. Everywhere, everyone is running after fluency, fluency, fluency. From the first day, a student will concentrate only on how to become fluent in English. But do you think that is the ultimate goal of learning English? I don't think so. You should have targets like within 3 months, I would like to make small talk on common topics like weather, tourism, sports, etc. with my friends, English speaking friends. Within 6 months, I want to be able to speak with my English speaking friends, at least some basic English, and also email them in English without using a dictionary. After 9 months of learning English, I want to score at least 90% in the entrance exam so that I can qualify for a good university. So this type of targets you should keep. Let's move on to the next one. When you have identified your goal, you can make sure that all of your efforts take you to another step forward. For example, someone who wants to enroll for a college, who is giving entrance exam, should concentrate on words and phrases related to that. If you are learning English for work, you might focus on words and phrases related to office. Maybe you are in love and the girl speaks English very well. Focus on those type of words and phrases that will help you to learn English faster. Next one. There is an easy way to learn more vocabularies sitting at home. That is through Flashcard. Luckily, there are plenty of great free apps which you can use so that you can start memorizing words wherever you go. Some of my favorite apps are Tiny Cards, Memrise, Power, Word Power Lite, Quizlet. You know what? A study has found whatever words and sentences we use on a daily basis, there are around 750 words which we all use on our regular conversation. So you need to pick up those words and those sentences so that it becomes easy for you to learn English faster. Next. If you are learning small words, how many words you will learn? Instead, pick up a sentence. That will help you a lot. Suppose you want to wish someone, how are you doing today? Pick up this word. Suppose you have to wish someone good night. Hi, good night to you. Small sentences. If you're going to a grocery for billing, please bill these items. So learn small phrases instead of small words. That will help you to develop your English conversation. Next. Sing along, my favorite. You know what? When you sing English songs, in one way you are learning English. If you cannot understand, no problem. Go to YouTube, find out the lyrics, Initially, it will be difficult for you. But with time, you will learn. Your music sense will develop. Your English will develop. What more you want? An interesting study even showed that listening to music in a new language can help you pick up grammatical rules more easily. Radio Garden is a great free tool to listen to radio station from all around the world. You can try this. Next one, watch television. TV. TV is a great source of improving English. But you can ask, which TV show? There are many TV shows. I can tell you. One show is Friends. It's very popular. Another one is House. The Big Bang Theory. Go for this. Check it out. Watch this. If you don't understand, put on the subtitles. It will help you to learn English faster. Watching TV and movies can also help you discover new accent and try to understand them. Let's move on to the ninth point. You may speak any language, Chinese, Bengali, Urdu. But when it comes to English, you are not so fluent like a native speaker. So what you have to do is that pick up someone who is very good in English. Try to talk to them. If it is not face to face, online also you can try, right? Maybe you understand the basic English. But if you want to progress further, you have to change your settings in your mobile phone. Most of us spend hours every day, starting with our phones, watching Facebook, watching Instagram, one website to the other. Changing your settings in your phone will surely help you to improve your English because the phone remains with you the whole day. So, changing your phone settings will help you to improve your English. So, my dear friends, these are the 10 golden tips. It's all up to you how you start learning English. But you have to start. Don't give up because it's one life. And when you learn English, people will love you, people will respect you. I wish you all the very best. Thank you so much.